In this video, I will talk about importance of gut microbiome for longevity. As always, I recommend you to download this presentation as PDF file from the link in the description, and then you will get to the access to the source of information and make your own research. I am not a medical professional, so I do this research mostly for my personal benefits. So it is. I am not supposed to give any medical advice. So please take care. Okay, let's go. So the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in regulating chronic inflammation associated with aging, known as inflammaging. This connection arises from the microbiome influence on gut barrier integrity, immune function, cellular senescence, and the proper functioning of the hormonal system. It is contributing to metabolic, immune, and tissue dysfunctions through various mechanisms, including altered signaling pathways and oxidative stress. Addressing gut health through diet, lifestyle, and pharmacological interventions may help restore a balanced microbiome and a hormonal balance, enhance immune regulations, support overall health, decelerate aging, and extend longevity. So again, inflammation is a consequence, but yet again, gut microbiome plays a big role in development of chronic inflammation and aging. Aging is often associated with changes in the gut microbiome called dysbiosis, which involves a decrease in beneficial bacteria and increase in opportunistic pathogens, a higher risk of infections, and elevated intestinal permeability, also called leaky gut. Pathogenic microbes can produce endotoxins like lipopolysaccharides and 3-methylamine N oxide, and that enter circulation, triggering systemic inflammation and immune activation. This continuous immune activation contributes to the exhaustion and senescence of immune cells, also called immune senescence, such as T cells and macrophages, and contributes to inflammation, autoimmune disorders, and accelerating aging. Okay, so it's again very important to keep our gut healthy, and what we can do with it. Again, we have to use some changes in the diet and maybe pharmaceutical interventions. Beneficial gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids by fermentation of prebiotics that have anti-inflammatory effects, enhance gut barrier function, stimulate epithelium repair, and modulate immune responses. Short-chain fatty acids enhance autophagy in the body, in cells, a process critical for cleaning damaged cellular components and preventing senescence. A decreased production of short-chain fatty acids exacerbates inflammation and is associated with autoimmune and metabolic diseases. Lack of prebiotics in the diet of people from Maasai tribes in Eastern Africa leads to the development of constipations, leaky gut syndrome, and autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis in the elders. So then eventually this shortens life of Maasai people to about 55, 60 years only. So it is, despite the carnivore diet they follow from the birth to the death is considered healthy, eventually it leads to shortened lifespan. So how prebiotics work? Okay, you can see from this slide that again they can be very essential to extend our longevity. The gut microbiome influences the metabolism of vitamins and minerals essential for cellular health and DNA repair. For example, vitamins, magnesium, zinc, copper, and iron. The microbiome itself is a producer of vitamin B and K. Deficiencies in these nutrients can exacerbate cellular senescence. Dysbiosis is associated with impaired glucose metabolism and insulin resistance, both of which contribute to cellular aging and senescence. Supplementing with prebiotics and probiotics helps restore a healthy microbiome, reducing senescence-inducing inflammation and oxidative stress. While medical professionals recommend to use of natural plant fibers from fruity vegetables, I believe that fermentable fibers such as cocoa powder, resistant starches, chitin, up to 100 grams a day can be used as prebiotics and also absorbents to remove toxins from the colon. Again, that's, for example, you can use soluble fibers, which make your feces softer, and defecation increase the rate of defecation a day. But yet again, you have to remove these toxins, and for example, starch, resistant starch such as potato starch, will absorb toxins which are getting to the colon with bile acids, and then it will get out. So it is absolutely important to keep this detoxification with the use of this resistant starch or maybe cocoa powder and chitin. So again, this is how short slide showing how we can modulate our health in our gut, and also gut by changing gut microbiota. Okay, so that's all. This is short introduction. The longer video will be available this weekend. Please follow my channel, support it with likes and subscription, and circulate this information among your friends and relatives. So again, I try to give some ideas, present some ideas how we can extend our longevity to maybe 1,000 years or live forever young. It is possible. So maintenance of our body is absolutely important, and accumulation of toxins in our body is also a big part of the aging. And we can make this detoxification of our bodies with proper diet and consumption of this prebiotics such as resistant starches. And again, that's following ketogenic diet and especially carnivore diet is healthy, certainly healthy, but in older age it leads to unhealthy microbiome, and it leads to shortened lifespan. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.